Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edotafia Amipo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
What is your name? Where are you calling from?
Good evening, sir.
What is your name?
I want to report emergency matter, sir.
What is the situation? What is your name? Where are you calling from?
Officer, forget my name first. This one emergency. Somebody say fake wig, give me fake blood for me.
What do you mean by blood?
Igbo, somebody say fake Igbo for me, sir. The teeth.
Oh, Indian hemp.
Yes. I just smoke myself the Claro. The Claro no get oil. You know the ta for the ending.
Okay. Can you guys take to the police around you?
They will arrest me.
No, they will arrest you. Can you take the police around you? They will arrest you.
Okay, I know now people, they will arrest me.
So now what do you want me to do?
If you hear me, tell me you're not the bound now. The real one. Real Igbo.
My friend, there's something wrong with you. Who do you think is that him? Are you okay?
Okay, but they said
Something wrong with you.
They say police is your friend. Now, why you stingy with the location of the Igbo?
What do you mean? Who do you smoking their hemp? We don't smoke in their hemp.
So, but SAS, the way those SAS the ginger, I be like saying they smoke the real one. Now tell me what you buy. I know report you now. What just buy?
Something is wrong with you.
Yes, my people, now welcome back to Edotafia Amipo YouTube channel. How on a day? We hope everything day okay, everybody day okay. If not so, make we give thanks to God Almighty. Now so it just be my people. And today so I will get I know now the much awaited Nadembidis. And today's partner part 11. Yeah, today now part 11, you know what I mean? And then today like you know really like and where we go really me they very very interesting. Not going to enjoy so much. And I like today I let a day a little bit devised. You know what I mean? Say devised, say it reached a lot of people. I feature a lot of people for this one. And I know now that one just be waiting there because for the previous one, people already thought say it's just the feature some few people and then they mention one particular person. You understand me? But I don't want to mention her name here and female. You know what I mean? They say I'll just feature her or whatever. You know what I mean? Some people even they say whether you know no. To me it's like they say diamond. You know if you hide diamond. Now damn be waiting there. Even when you hide her in the dark, it will still shine, come out. And not just they look, they feature one person, or maybe they just they feature one person mostly, particularly, whatever. Without saying the person don't get special something, we say he or she they possess it. And so it just be, you get me? So, and so I want to that side reach. And then this one, so it really did more device and a lot of people did. It's not because they talk and whatever. That make me, in fact, the person we say they talk about, she, like what I told, she be woman. I mean, she still did this particular one exactly. You know what I mean? So now that one just be waiting there, my people, and then that not be say because of that one, I make me feature a lot of people. Now the waiting I get at hand at the moment, now that one just did it. And then what I even talk about. So make we just go to the video now, right? And then this one really, I like this one so much, you know, because it come from everywhere, like all type of you know, sorry, me Christian on day, like traditional on day, the saga on day, this guagua on day, the advice on day, the column for me on day, the column say I column made a column for me, I did online, they talk about on day, that kind of thing. I mean, so it really did. I really like this one, you know what I mean? And then I'm not waiting be now. The long, I believe say go long and not going to where you know. This now part 11 now, that one just did it. You like say this one now, you know what I mean? Why not to the future? Why not to the do this now? Them be this as often we say they take time and they I know like we they talk, I know talk say they stressful, but it is like not really hard work to put them together. It really they take time and they take like I don't want to use word I don't want to use like say it be stress or it is stress or stress it is stressful or whatever. You know what I mean? I want to say stressing just like in German language, you know what I mean? But now so that one just did my people. And then so make we just join and then the people will be say I fish short or for this one I hail on and then the people will be say I not still fish short. I not to say I not fish on because say maybe I know we not respect on we not like on no. I just wait till we still get her done. Maybe next time on go still day. I mean now go still come on and so it be because we know say everybody they like maybe say their own voice still get heard. That one for sure. So right now with all that being said, make we just move on and make we just enjoy this Nadembidis part 11. What can I do with my people as not join us, me, Baba God.
Ìjàre Oh, ejo. Hello.
Wait till somewhere. Eh? If they fuck your husband now, your eye will come the reds. Gbini churchy. Tell where you tell the fuck, you tell go the go night vigil. Or you they pray. E kiaro dawe. Ou ya alerun. Ou salop. Where do wajea? Ou sakamori ya? Ou do mwekbe fwa
mena. Ou ga bon mi ke begwe. Igbi agiano gogo. Ya amodo. Ya bon mi ke be ma wa. Ashago where they read book. Where they create content. Oh, gwa ye na gwe nwene ye nyanga. Eme we de you vient, eme we la vient, ami e ma gbon pa unwe, e ma gbon pa ko wonu ladian. Gwa nyama. Ha? La wo go ye nwa yu hunwe o. Won, ye nwa yu hunwe zegbe. Won, la ho. Uya gwali ngwena mweki dana he manare.
Page no for yeah, when ya I'm not telling you, your wife is going to be flogged. Adumopuna, you say me they flog men when allow the smile. Now me go flog that your wife, that your mumu wife for your mother for us. Because you are a very stupid man, your wife not fit control you. You will be boss smoker. Have you ever make live video in your sitting room at Adumopuna? If you're not a frustrated human being. A man with thinkable and caliber, a man with get sense, he go sit down with the room the way I sit down, so they make live video. Useless, frustrated men like you will not be talk away wife day. You can't call live video, call they advise women. You go call live video, call they advise men. But bad with this man, a man of speaking truth, a man of talking truth. You are a useless man. After you don't smoke, go finish for where you go for ghetto. You can't go sit down for inside garden, cross leg with your bad shoe, with your shoe where you pick for yellow boss, school where you pick for those things. You are a very stupid man.
Hello.
You know the disturb.
Hello. I don't marry. I did my.
Okay.
I did my husband's house.
I know. You know the many.
Yes.
You know why? This thing has to talk and so.
No.
The cause go disappear from your family. Many of your family
Amen.
don't do it. Even maybe your papa or your mama don't do it. But they don't talk and come out. Some go talk and come out. All those year elder people, they'll go kill goat. They go say, may they chop the ear, may they do this. Now, the best way na confession.
Yes. Ever with that my elder brother thing today, we know they agree. I know they do can reach person. If he near me now to kill and be my mind then because it destroy me.
Don't fall for it. It's a fake pastor. A pastor that can deceive a woman from her own marital. She just gets more marital problem. And so pastor just enter. Thank you. Tombi.
My love, please, I'm sorry.
This is the
Please,
pastor.
You always hurt me so much. Look at what you have been telling me. If I'm not, I'll break the remaining small heart left with you. Why now? Why are you doing this to me?
Get some game.
Wamahon wafeko yoboya gwe, waeko gwe, waeko tabu wa hono boss la oga ma ne gbe kan o ma ne rere igba no kedo da sulu wa ya fe la dan oga ma ve ni meje no I je me o no bi ewo wa o mo na ma bi he sile ya fe la dan e geja we geja sin camera e me hin ona ga ime no I know what I will do. So inye gwazuwa kuwe kuje gwa de do se we bo o se ni na ya fefefe. Oh, wa mu mekedo ade because we no zuwa we de meho ni megwegwe we see sikegbe because o zuwa. Yan we no aja bi omo
to tell you where I used to throw my pad. You want to use my pad
no be 419 issue. No be matter of 419. This is a full reality. This is a full, everybody know what happened here. At the end of the video, this man video can't come out. Meaning this man set that woman up. This man set that woman up. Ati wa beri viagbon. Ne lolo aya miesho we or deba. Ne lolo aya miesho we agado bo me wo bia na innocent innocent. Fa aye yobo bo ni amu ave.
Ami emi ne gi agbon uwo bije iwa mi emi ne gi agbon wa agbon o ami emi ne gi agbon uwo bije ami emi ne gi agbon wa agbon o ami emi ne gi agbon uwo bije agbon no je bi no fo akine kwi iye je do kwi ya ga ki do fo fo agbon no yo ma da o ki eke o abi emi ne gi agbon uwo bije abi emi ne gi agbon wa agbon o abi emi ne gi agbon uwo bije Ogala kwaluwa o etu gigu ame o agagi mi uwa ne dome ikine gbagi gu onuro owa agagwaluwa agmebi ayo magbe ayibe susene oma osalobo apa ori no ya kan ra mi owo okin owie eni dame
I'm proud of
owie na kwe.
If they give people awards for flexible and fucking and doing any style, you are up for it. I need awards. Be proud of what you can do with your toto. Not let any man tell you say that guy don't fuck and tell us say na me fuck am. I fuck and finish. I get up. I go bring her water for free. Me.
If I say so, I say work. Yeah, you wait at when me wanna tell so then no zuwa. When me there. Eva na tie so hu yon finu sama imeno salo baba je gbe eva be betogi meno ro me wa ko beti togi we me so no esin poa. How dare you? Who did you think you are? Who pa me mo giye ku mo giye ku mo ade. Are you for real? Okay, we was says on the two country. We say no settle normal. If you were my happiness here. If you are rich, did you have happiness? Where my happiness here?
I we man gbe we too gallant for family. Ija ni me na tsawe no ma eye ijo doge no ma eye ijo doge no ma efasu ido o vie ijo re ni mo se ro dure no ma eye ijo doge no ma eye ijo doge no ma eye motos doge. If you want to say it, what say
record ni wo no ya betray we oti we a ma we won we ayin ya o ma tin era agwa okay nyon para riba eyi ta no why not ta we do wona not ta bi ewo wa was agbene why mo phone social media president we na social we na we no pai nene mi ade wa mi we wan e wan gbeku a
start to the smoke igbo. She made a very big mistake for uttering that juice letting out of her mouth. When no men agayawu. You are of no use. What the magwe boyfriend magwa. Anake no gwa. Ona fiole, ona fiole. Uno ese mama do fiole no ho wa wagbon. For you to open your mouth and say make I start to the smoke igbo. I pop with my wedding. O wa ru ota to bo ma se ti gun una agwalo no hia do ri ebenu una ji go ya agwale no ri ebenu
o ya ma so mi ekwegele mu wa sha ekwegele mu wa de ekwegele mu ikweso wa de egbikwo we na go wa na de egbe okwo we ni wa ye we na egbe clean bi pom gbe clean una ya gegbe we na gegbe we no wa ya gwale wa nya wa gume ban ge wa gume ku wa gwan emerunu na we na wa yin so yan we president we sun o wa yi gbigbi agiase 11 video presenter ni wa gbigbi aga iko lo ya bugbe emi wo ya gbigbi aga egbo ma ba wi aye ati other nenemi other stretch mark other stretch waist other straining waist other straining mash look here wa gume gbegbeyan wa gume gun me o do sari ko ni mama wa gun le gbeke ke bo ni eke awaye la shiran wa gwa do ni eke lo na ye bege wan i ava lo nya go le bi agbo ku wa kere na bo nu wa ri kini gwa ma wa o wa to agbe o ko ga iferi me go gwa wa ma to Jesus nu wa ya i do social media wa ha ma se ti ehu ke gwa hop wa hia hu ka ma hop wa ro god wa do avja do na ma enya gelegbe wa gelegbe tebu mo ta no to wa gbetebu ko do wa gbetebu wa ka bi odon le gbo wa iwa bege o somebody wa hin neji ku no ge direction mama won ni agbe somebody wa imudia yen age kan ma le ra mama yen gwa re ari nu wa ya like
how many times you and your brother do how many times
now once, mommy, because the last time he go not come to me the join inside house if I dey sleep.
That time, how many years you did?
That time I thought they go 6 to 7 years. I don't get since now.
6 to 7 years.
I don't get since. Yes.
6 to 7 years just virgin.
Yeah. Maybe you go ever see the wash and go know they talk.
Maybe your brother now dey Europe. Your brother wey this when you dey Europe.
Oh, favor, that the man not talk. As in the man do the looking. We may na from 1 year. Ya blackmail. The woman we are thinking that we eke that money to boy. Money yegeni. Ye me we eke money yegeni. Eke ma ve Italy ni we blue fimi wa ni wa yo bok mekia. Boy na wa only wa river ni wa we no wa comedy wa le lugan. Oye na mi wiyan ha.
What you left video. What why? Oh, why you fear tell you at the war? Why see your daddy express all that you wrote? Why you what belly lay out the catabot? Why vanyere? Homo wa vanyo, or maso? Why you want to vanyoma? Why quave passport? No, vanyo no allow down, you go down. Oh, what do twagby? Why did you go one? What you go one? If we be move, oh, we want my gear key. Oh, what twagby? Oh, what twagby? I go a go. Oh, my go one of them. What's what we turn one my one man what? I can never go young or one am like Bebo. No one of Salika, you are Panoya because what must be who are Again, why young or what? Again, when I am everyone you are my again, I have Jogo do your hair, again I have live, again I have here, again I have double hair, I can live, again I have Bolo Jack. I'm a man 1 year, when I tell what to Salika, you will about Lava. Salubua, Ujamasu me, if we get him washa, if we get him wa, they will get him with so, why they a big woman who wa, one of the big woman was ye, when a very clean. Every one will be clean. Una ya get biwe. When I get biwe. No, why ya go le wanya? Why go me ban? Yeah. What? Why go me go wagwan? Emerunu na when I was here so. Yeah, we president West.
Yeah, how will you walk one? Wa hey, I know no set ba we ma be wa walk one yen. Boy, ya buwe. E ma me gbara ye me bijou. ya bue jividi jo abo yobo no ma mi enegbe aro yobo no ju sonpo no si look sonpo yegbe me ye gbobo no bo ama wo bo no ju sonpo ya yegbe o ya gbu abo ni wọ́n no see obaname of your boy omeyeke owo kan me no yeke ko egbo on ko giwo eyawo me wa yawo me iya fi okowe e wa bi ele lu fi okowe nda o fe ma wo
record e nu record ma ya fe o aje me gbe party no mani tai una pe latian o ga ma please ni ma be social media we e mama susi e gbe wa person. I was pleading. I don't really know why. Iya is Vieri Jo ya mwebo be Vieri Jo. Me ya tie boy ya claim innocent ori me. Iya is a guy pity my boy na ga pity man me boy na. E ma so na wo ma balo na be ya ga giro wi me. They no to expect ni wa do be be ni ma pa ma en fa.
We pata lo we wa mi age e ma bu no ge we. No ki an ge o ma dan e ge o ki ge u yo we mi. Ke mi na ka meji na we na ge wu. U so ma no we ya doloje ge ya gwan. Any ole do we be bitin now. Emi na we na ge wo eyan ye wo but yan ria o ladian na ba we yan mo bobo yan we yan magbe yan gbe kian ofoni yan we mi na ka meji o si eni yan so na ye sile ni e otina ne o na ye vura vure wa dere mi sunu na gwa lo teme o teme ke ladian ọnọkpa kọlọ na wemi ana we wa ya yi we du we na imu eboro o we gi mu eboro o we gi we enu enu wa ya o be ya fi okowe ya gbu igbera igbiju e ya gbu igbera igbiju e eh. No be all those native that one call they use the ime you have yogi mere ike sunogwe ikaya mweme we mo bana mo bo iye mweme we ye daji unda makaya owe o fema na woma e wo logbo mama o fema na wa ma understand
wa make a gallant una no say ibata no wa gbe precious make e oversize no
e ogba no be mama o ni mari e bagbo I ma te ya open the shop ogene na ya pressure me tama we eru ni na your one as far as good heart he go bless you but if not be good that he go follow me come back to my house you dey craze
your shoes oversized
dey your house you dey betray me
she's my talent Lovely is a frustrated barrister. She's my lawyer. I cannot wear your shoe.
I went outside and now you label me that I'm evil, right? You label me that I'm evil because I showed you love. Fine. That same December, you said it's pregnancy or more that make you to say that I'm sleeping with your husband. Later, you begged me in inbox that I should forgive you, that I should not tell anybody outside what happened, which I kept quiet. Every time you and your husband, okay, the first time you and your husband had issue in that house, you beated your husband, you slapped him, his face even swelled up. I didn't tell anybody. The only thing I did that day, I called Georgina on phone. I told her that, please, Auntie Georgina, help me
I always eat the fat and leave the bone because I'm not a dog. Ose ni nari efunoro ya eri funoro gboloko na ise iso iri ya eri funoro mu gboloko no ro fane ne na na be kita iro e wo se gbe iberi onire we wala we bo ma be no ya sika duro e story ya wa vu be Nigeria ni wa ma imi opata bo wa Africa many things wa sunu wa Africa ma imi opa be any country no yare aduro ne European government imi weji una be ahama una de ugu be bie una be agwalo uwu ha mo na agwale no amugo na no mo ebe no dori ebe yobo ozuo o me made de na no ohugwa mu mejo kederi wa de en wa te gbe wa se
this woman not get blame. Looking at this woman, any man will get sense. You watch that video, you go know say this woman now loving sweet woman. Now, woman will be say, man, on a more serious note, man will get sense go have. Now, very romantic woman. For that video, that woman, a very romantic woman. See, you see this one where they talk on my on a kune, on a de yezene, on a de bragadane. Oh, only the video ni, even at those at that age, with those 3 children, see the way our body clean. See the way our body makes sense. Ikwoni me bieso, uga like yo wiyan, oye na ge lapa ni malak la kilibi ade. Oye tegbe we ade, you we have to rescue.
Okwo ma negbe o ama we talk ya no da o ege ba be kia ega pa vio yo ke ba be kia ko wa ge ba be kia abe ya ye gbe you know o salobua abe ya ye gbe you know bewara o adora o abe ya won ma pu ọwọ́ ọmọ pín ayọ̀ ayú lábẹ́ òdo. Ẹ̀kẹ́ni ẹ̀nà pín kò rẹ̀ òbí oṣù mẹ́. Ọ̀yọ̀dọ̀. Ìyẹ̀pẹ̀ rákọ̀dà rí yẹ̀pẹ̀ rẹ̀ lọ́sàn náà. Ọgọ́gbà òkè ìrúgẹ́gẹ́.
Just a video call. Okùnrin ayé tí a control ẹ̀ or you obey. That kind of a woman is a woman of thinking about, a woman of speaking true. You understand? Okay, gba okùnrin dọ̀ ní àti àbọ̀ níyàn. Ẹni ẹgbẹ́ ìkónú pé àgbà lọ. Okay, I take Hunda, Huesusu, who no kuro no jilawa, or deku. I go at the baby who will I Ania. No, why you have it when you need best for you all. You know, soon a Maria Mawuna my nigby, or why nigby, hey. Then when they beg Yama, if you be Yamane. If you have me so, we got me, I mean, if you have me so, lesser, any day I'm vandalizing a killer webo. Egbinya egare ama iwo ko no bio me hane o keke ni biye iwe mo suba no yima egbe fu ere we to tanu gbewe fo nuri anyo no awon anyo no ari okwe baba we dey oyo emi na genatara ta ya ni kize no gwado. You understand me so abi woni iyan wa tu pa when na remote na service you not get blame. Obi boring or you wesefa yeva bola yowa ona lo di ko walaja understand obi boni ogun gbe ye checha wo nya cross o we yin wari o yin ri wina ona wa mu dia ye o menya gbe yellow line yewe don't cross the yellow line yin ma get that cross the yellow line e fast train ri de ni o gwari.
There was a time if you had it ona be pa iye wo ma no bi mu nye ma hiare ne eri o kan aje ene na be sunu ni aba fielele. Oh no, say not I fear the secretary on it no dash you latia in a problem. Yeah, it carry the responsibility. Worry. Don't even think for me. A pity me don't know ye latia because they no give a good word of mama safe. But in here go even or on a go ya me. Then the next thing no gisunu. E ya be avielele ya na be a misunderstanding. Sa avielele ya be. Ovi o kan no. Iya ka ma mama ye tabe yo no ka gwe no yo. Avielele eti la tiano ku me party to tie bon avielele ma wo egba sabo be life video. I will never do that. Avielele be 20 years. Avielele bo bi me o gba otu. Me ti ale la avielele do atalo ma de possible.
You asked your sister Ozioma to tell you where I used to throw my pad, right? As if that one is not enough. Fine, you feel that I'm the one that recorded you and your husband fight the other day, which I'm not. Remember, this thing happened on the 20th of December. You had issue with your husband. That night I was begging you. You came into my room. You threw me something and I shouted. And your husband came and meet you that, Adaeze, I don't like the way you play with these children. You should stop it. And you get angry. You enter your room and you went and bring your pillow to the parlor. Then your husband came to meet you that, Adaeze, why will you come to parlor to sleep? You said, how will you be shouting at me? You are supporting Norma and all of that. He said, you're supposed to calm down. Let me explain things to you. The next thing you said, Eto, your husband is sleeping with me. which I exchanged word with you that day, that is because, is it because that I'm calm? Every time you just be bringing up accusations. Just
why what talk be osen wana phone osiline o wa wa mi mata wa ati ororo wa wa mi ekene mata ye wa ga go e onu wa do osen se ku wana ye siline o tina de tu wa temata wa yen se wa gwan yo de mata ima ya ye ge ise ku wa ya siline o tina ibude na ga gbon na no e no ri ibude aga gwalo ma na mweko no gwan ya ga gwalo ma na afie me wiri yonu no magwaga yeme ya gwale eme no kan zolo eme no kan ta na mu oru bobe mi danga o no emi no umano to so we baby go vela dia awe wa gie vela dia uwa ya dolo ji
because I'm not going to insult Monica because I'm not going to insult Ibenivie, so it means that Ibenivie na the friend, or it means that Ibenivie na my godmother what. I want to let this one be the first and last. Thank God you know come because you know when you go ring my phone again. The Ogun will take scatter you for 3 track. You go fear your head that the other you gonna say I'm not normal for live video. I'm not normal for
okay, the total you come by me. Betty well ya ke Nigeria de vugu ukwo wa duro pa na la wodo. E Facebook na we na nwa. What difference? What exactly is it that we have in common? We have nothing in common. Mane drop in common, my way. A Facebook now when I'm the wedding have many you to then have many on my head, then I'm with topic you in video and everything. Even on that way, man on that go. All those things I knew them already from the Adam long time. I knew them already from the Adam long time. So my way when compatibility, my way when anything that in your part of can bring him out together. I'm not seeing it. I'm not your enemy, my love. So I love you so much. But the truth of the matter is that whenever you are talking and doing whatever you are doing, don't even try to.
We are married to Jesus. No, why are you doing social media? Why am I that who can go up? Why are who come up? Why do what? Why do I have the number? Hey, you get it better. And what I'm not to work better way. How do I work better way? Why have you done it? Go on. Here we go. Somebody working. Somebody working. Neji ku no get direction mama. O mi agbe somebody wa imudia. Yan get kema le ai mama. Iyan gwa le. Nu wa ya like somebody.
Ultima wetie na nia. Ogwe ope opara age wo na we gbin yen temu, gbin yen pagbe. So Jezebel o working ai na Elisi. Izi egbe Jezebel working ai na. O ma we taibani a gotima no tie babana. O womaga asira yege wona we gbin pagbe no gwagi ya said do is riviere hia ugwo gwodo egweyo wetu ahi gbe age afievo igbe age no gogo uga said is igbe aya hia no mari mi ke ya ba mi yi o ya gwa lo vio momo no ga ya bike isi egbe lagwa we are you Japan.
You also mentioned when ya oni amie waga ya oni amie wonona. When negbu wede, when negbu otana de way, the share when you sit down say, did they even like your share? Because I not like a bagan no we totally. Person that love your share will be doing what you are doing. How come they are not doing what you are doing? Because from January to December, you are always looking for trouble. From January to December, you are always poking on people. For January to December, you are always being a judge on people's life. From January to December, you are, according to you, we blogger me. According to you, you are, in short, from January to December, you are always prognosing into people's life. From January to December, you are kissing who were in kissing or who were From January to December, you are always falling into problems. Why is it that? You think it's because of success? A success of who were? If you ask me for success, I believe I'm more successful than you.
Why you when we here we no in the midst la de o kan bia o se na e na yin foto wa we hogbe e o wa ya do ekino wa do na o ma ge me so na e wa do ye na go fo e ge ne ge emi agele ya yokia ya ko ni wi ya ma aga ge yin no ga pe ni we na do se ni yin ke no mo ge re ya no we na ge mo ge yin ria we ma ge to we to ge ke no denya wiere umame no yo me go no we me no ma keke we me dada omo no ma bie then o ma ga usu we gbe we do we ere na he iya gele we iya ga ro we they don't come iya re no because ye be ge usu ni ye be do wa kire be mi da wa ga ye o we mi ge why mo ma ro pa gbo wa
wait so when your brother want this ready he put cloth for ground for inside bush.
Yes, we before when we go farm because my younger ones it's more small. He can't send us now. He wrote the Gary. He go send me. Say, "Mom, we go fetch water. Bush is smooth with her." As we reach there, I see say your own knife. He say, "If I no go for one, say go kill me." Now I say, "I'm waiting." They don't big now. The first one they talk, so you know, mature person. The next thing, also you just hold me down.
Oni sama fite, Ikebe. O ma fite here, o ma fite. No panoroni wa wotin yawe plastic surgery. Unome as a black woman who gege yawe a plastic surgery. A black woman ve me black woman no ke do state re. Who gege ya fi enwe ya mwe roba yenwe. Ye salo boa. Wagekwe amugwa emona ozan wawari ne onagi edo wagiri egina awagwa edo mi ozan ye egbuwa egbenu wakere o wari ozana hiagi e shema disgrace na egbuwa orie o edo ye runda edo weni age koku wa bibi wage koku
now just make una anything on your see pa Papa, popo. Yeti guan. All of them, when they say that thing has come, now you boy bastard. Gladys, what be your problem? Why you say you gonna use power to talk for anything with another person matter? Why you say you gonna use power to talk? And that same woman where they America, where you call the give testimony for Gladys platform. You are a very stupid woman. You did America, but you not get sense. So if this naked picture not come out, you're not going to know that the fact is scam on before when I can't talk. Stupid, useless women. All of them not do so pity. All of them not throw away. Finish with the man. Now I said, Naim. Small picking. Now say Euro. Small picking for Nigeria. They use computer. They use the open at the top of walkway.
Iku oriome ihatime isome ijenoma iyaleluehia. Una gudi ko gbe o meri una gudi kuna gbe mo meri o sajon sage mi nu da mi ro salo gba kan awe dawe upin mi te mi ko sajon sage o pe ari eju egbo ko ari eju egbe emi te mi ko iju o wa kan o wa afie gogo lewo o teme wure ni gbe o ga gidi gba me na gidi ni we ari obo emi ni ru dari wa gbona emi o I mari anyway yo go bo na me kan ri wa we wu wori eni me ari go bo sajon sage ifagbo ola egbe fa ala egbe olokun ewosi olokun re egbe ifagba fagbo ola egbe gba wore no ari agun eme bi la ta ebu gesu na me aka mu wo wi ko ni u ba mo wi una ba mo na ya me kin okun na mo se sajon sage kelori aye rumo kan wa keti pa adeti wa mi edele na bad Friday na ya good Friday eleru na gwe iru ni on se no wo se no uta wa kan agwa lo na adi ekori won we ga mi ara mi ike ya ni mesu se yi we na kwiko wa isu se le mi ni we gbe su obo eyin mi o we agbon mi o we asun mi o we ri okan aye ukuruku da mi iyo ri o ya gwe ko sajon sage we na pa iyo ri o ya gwe ko iyo ya gweku de ni mena we na re gbovedo ina gele mudiane de ko be ya fefe ya mudiane bi ya fefe ni tana ofu egbe e ko me ya mudia sadio ure do lugedo emi ya no re ari oboyi u ga suffer na be di me suffer le esi u ga suffer u suffer o boye no kan ya re e se no se ni o ma ere wa ade isu do mi o e boye o kan age il y a des gens qui ont amake ason avant ason ma boy avant boy on the way, you are on all damn you. You is suffer, or you suffer, maybe you may walk, you suffer, or begging walking a yard, you say, you suffer and what's any. Amy, I do few buggle of you. Why? You don't have you don't have your tail look no regret, Johnny Corumo, a tijon on Yadu. You don't have your soak my equal work when I do not do a woman quick will. Even where we may, ina give kitu ename da unati me mati what I just agi uchi ni ume kuwa kawo sa hon wa na kwiku kuwa kosude wa ya na kwiku ogbe ohun no higbe me kwiku ara gbe kwiku agbe
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.